Okay, so the next step is to simply create a design dialog box under your title image, which as you remember appears in design mode. So here I'm going to say new dialog, and then I'm going to call this design underscore dialog, like you see here. Okay, and then it says items, CQ widget collection, and then you have your tab 1 here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our smart image component, which is located in our libs foundation, in the foundation image controls, so we don't have to recreate the wheel. So I'm just going to go to foundation, components, image, and then I'm going to go to dialog. Okay, as you see here, I'm going to go to the items widget collection, and then I'm going to take this widget here, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go and paste it into the widget collection here. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm going to just simply modify the name. So instead of saying /file, we're going to say /bg image. Okay, and then this doesn't need to be in a tab, so I'm just going to delete this tab here, and I'm going to click OK. So now it should be set up like that. Make sure that everything's saved, your JSP and everything else, and let's go ahead and request a page in CQ. Let's go to websites. Okay, and I'm going to go into my company here. Okay. And now if I go into design mode, okay, I'm going to click on design of par. And if you scroll down here, what you should see is there's a training group here that you created, and you should see your title image component. So select that, and that will give the end users the ability to add this component directly to the paragraph system, which is what we want. Now you'll see that appears in the sidekick. Here's your training title image. So let's just drag that here. Now if we click here, we should see the dialog box that we created earlier. So if you type in the title here of your page, and I put the type size is equal to small, you'll see what will happen is it'll call that Java servlet, and it will actually convert this. You'll now see that James is an actual image here, and you should be able to see the Java servlet actually took that text and converted it into an image, and it called that Java servlet, as we examined before, by utilizing the Sling script resolution process. Again, if you also go into design mode, you'll see the image here, and you'll also see that you can drop an image here, the dialog box that we created using the Smart Image widget. So you should be able to see that, and that's how you can utilize CQ to create a custom dynamic image.